Hello everyone. The next assignment is called Styles, Formatting, and Word Cloud, and that will be found in Module 6. So go ahead and open the link. The first thing you'll do is click on the very first line where it says Title A, B, and we're going to be using the Styles button on the Home tab, and you're actually going to click Title. And what it does is it changes the font to Calibri Light size 28. And then it's showing that it's been chosen with the box around it. Click in the next one, and we're going to select Heading 1. Heading 1 changes it to Calibri Light, size 16, and the font color is blue, accent 1, darker 25%. If you notice in the Styles bar, it goes Heading 1, Heading 2, but there's no Heading 3. When you click on the next one where it wants the style Heading 2, and I select Heading 2, I actually now have 3. I didn't have it there before because I didn't need it. The only difference between 1 and 2 is 1 is size 16 and Heading 2 is size 13. It's the same blue. The next one is a quote. Walt Disney's quote here. So usually quotes are indented and from the left and right and usually in italic. So if you click anywhere in the quote and you click the down arrow, which is more options, there's actually one called Intense Quote. There's a quote that's not in blue and doesn't have the border above it and below it, but I'm going to go with the Intense Quote. Go ahead and select your name, the words, and type your first and last name and press Enter. So you're actually going to create a style with your first name so it comes up here in the style box. Click the down arrow, which means more options. Select Create a Style. Give the style name your first name only, and then click Modify. And you're just going to select a font choice of your own liking, whatever you'd like. You can scroll through and pick something that's one of your favorites. Change the size to 24, bold, and then select a color of your choice. And within everything that I've been choosing, I've been getting a live preview in this box here. So I chose Monotype Corsiva, size 24, bold, and purple. Then go ahead and click OK. Click on the line where your name is, and you'll notice up in the Styles box, you have a style called Your First Name, and select it. If you decided to change the color from purple to maybe blue, you right-click on your style, modify, change the color, and then click OK. It automatically changes it. So you're famous for a few days. All right, the next section's a little different. We're going to create what's called a word cloud. So select the title and the 2 paragraphs below it. So select them all. And this is the mission statement, right, taken directly from the STIC website. You're going to go shopping right now. Click the Insert tab. Click the red shopping bag. In the search box, type Pro Word and search. And it's actually Pro Word Cloud. Click Add. And on the right-hand side, you'll have a window pane that opens up. And we're going to create a word cloud based on the information here on the left-hand side. So you can change the font type to something that you'd like. You can change the colors. You can change the layout. Do you want mostly horizontal, vertical, half and half? And intelligent case where it's initial caps, or you can have all lowercase, all uppercase, whatever you'd like. And then choose Create Word Cloud. And there you have it. If you decide to change the font or anything else, you have to go back and choose Regenerate Cloud, Regenerate Word Cloud. When you're happy with what you have, Regenerate Cloud. When you're satisfied, right-click and choose Copy. Come back into your document, and you want to make sure you deselect the paragraph, press Enter, and paste, Control V. It'll probably move it to another page, which is fine. So on this document, you should have the section which covers the styles on the Home tab with your name up in the Styles bar, and then you should have a word cloud. Go ahead and save and submit.